Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you on how to make a scarf for our Calico Critters, and it's like gonna be a really short video because it's really fast. So what we're gonna need today, the materials is scissors, sharp ones. So I would recommend Fisker scissors or arts and crafts scissors, sorry. And then we'll need some fabric. That's all. It doesn't matter how big it is, but it has to be a long piece. So let's get started. So what you're gonna do is cut right here a skinny, and you don't want it to be uneven. So we're just gonna cut it all the way. The size doesn't matter. If you're making one for a baby Calico Critter, then it should be small, but it just depends on the size of your Calico Critter. Like I say in most of my Calico Critter videos. So now what we're gonna do is just cut, cause I'm making some for the kids, the daughters, and so they're gonna need not a so long one, not a so small one, but they're gonna need a medium-sized one. So then since we cut like this, we're gonna cut like this, and there. So this is the piece we're gonna be using. And so we're gonna cut this part here. Cut it off right here, cause see how it's pointy? You don't want any pointy parts. So then we have it straight enough. And so this part is straight too. And so it's cause the pointy parts sometimes stays, just cause you gotta cut perfectly straight. And see, that was the pointy part. So then here we go. So this is the part we're gonna need. And so what you're gonna do now is cut right here for the little, I don't know what they're called, but it's the little edges at the end of the scarf. So see, it's those, the way it's kind of like that. And since we cut this one, we're just a little too wide. We're just gonna fix it by cutting it right there, and then taking off that piece, like that. And so it's like this. And then we're going to do the same for the other side. And we're done. So now you can try it on your Calico Critters. Like this. And see how it looks. There we go. And let's try it on her. And now they have a scarf. I hope you liked it. Bye.